Hello, this is another video. This one is for Silent Night. This is probably next to Jingle Bells. This is probably the easiest because we have all the chords are even all the way through. They change in a steady beat. So we're just going to practice it in the same way. We're going to sing it through and we're just going to clap when the chords would be, because they're not going to be the same as where your voice is singing. And then we'll go through each part individually and then we'll put it together. Okay, so this is our starting note. Off we go, silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infants all tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Now you notice I sort of dropped down the octave and then sort of found my way back up again. This is a really tricky one to sing. It goes really high and really low. The children will find singing high easier. The grown-ups will find singing low here. We're saying this is our starting note, but if you want to sing it down an octave, silent night, that might be a bit low for some of you. Start at the pitch I started with, and then for the really high bit, just drop down. So it doesn't matter, just find your notes however you want to. It doesn't matter at all what it sounds like. Okay, so this is now the bottom part. So again, we've got red and orange for the bottom part, and I'm going to sing the main tune over the top. Don't worry, this is our starting note. It's going to sound a bit weird with just one part, so try and sing with me if you can, but if you want to just practice the handbells, then you can have a go. So off we go, silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infants so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. I stayed up that time. I really apologise that you're having to have my awful high singing, and for the kitchen beeper going off not quite at the right level. There is steam coming out though, so I might just... Ooh. Time for the pie to go in, and then we'll do the next section, I promise. Okay, here we go. Turn it down a bit. Okay, great. So, done part one. Part two is yellow and green. Okay, so again, they won't sound perfect with the notes that you're singing, but it will sound good when we get together. Okay, off we go, silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infants so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Okay, and then the last one is the top part. So we have light blue and dark blue. Okay, and it's the same as the starting note. So off we go, silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon dark blue one wrong when I was going high. Sorry, I wasn't thinking properly. Right, okay, so let's put these back into our little chord patterns. So we've got these three, which make up most of the chords. That's like our home chord. Then we've got this one, which also comes quite often. And then our extra one here mixes with, I'm going to put it back here actually. That's the one that we don't have as much of. Okay, so let's start with our home chord. Okay, so just concentrate on your part and sing along if you want to. So, off we go, silent night, holy night, all is dark, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infants all tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Okay, thank you for putting up with my high singing.